playing Overcooked and
Overcooked.
Alright, chef. Alright, so
Yeah, I'll be the delivery dude.
You stay up there.
Go down.
Okay, wait, alright.
Alright, this is Daniel's depot, so I'm gonna deliver all the
you stay down there,
potatoes
and then Jazz, you can either be down there or down there. Just give him fish and fish and
this is your drop.
Alright, ready?
Look. Don't throw it back at me! Go on that side.
Wait a second.
We need mushrooms!
Dude, there's a bunch of mushrooms there. I'm pretty sure there's somewhere. Don't kick them this way!
I'm not trying!
It's not sucker!
Who gave me tomatoes? I fucking put tomatoes on a pot and we don't even need them yet.
Oh, I fell off.
Alright, wait. Cooking shit that we don't need.
Oh! That soup's about to burn! No! I got it! No! Put the damn onion down! I got it. Ah! Alright, I'm good. Oh, what the heck? Stop spreading! Okay, we're good. Oh, our plants
We still need mushrooms!
Oh,
I know, we got enough. Okay.
Deliver boys out.
Oh wait, where are we? Did you just throw a pot?
It was burned. We'll get another one.
No, we don't get another one.
We will. See, it's right there.
We'll get another one.
Here you go. We have fucking
Guys, what do you need?
warranty on it.
Give us some.
Onions.
Give me a mushroom. Give me the mushroom. Give me the mushroom.
You're right.
Give me the mushroom.
Trying to, there's so much
I
stuff.
need the mushroom.
It's over. It's over.
Move.
There's the mushrooms, oh I smell.
Okay, I think Daniel and Sergio should stay on the easy side. Leave this soup side for me. And I'll tell you what I need. Just throw me a bunch of stuff, Jasmine. Just throw it all over here. I got it. I need a plate. Next plate.
You know what? It makes more sense. It makes more sense for two people to do the delivery part. So me and Jazz will give y'all stuff.
Give me some plate.
Yeah, I get the plate. It's right here.
Get that plate delivered.
Okay, chef. What else do you need?
I need more mushroom.
No, do you need a tomato? It looks like a tomato on the top.
It's over for tomato. I need mushroom.
Mushrooms are way fucking in the back. You need tomatoes.
Oh, thanks.
There's fish.
I need another mushroom.
Get you need tomato.
The tomato's over with. What is tomato?
What? There's two tomatoes on your thing.
I got tomato easy. I take this off the plate.
Why do you keep picking up fish?
I
What
got
am I looking
tomato.
at here? Here's your tomato.
Tomato. I already have tomato. I need mushroom. Give me some olives. I mean onions.
Olives?
Yeah, we don't have olives, bro.
Give me
We
the
don't cook
onions.
those.
I need some more onions. This plate is ready.
Hey, chef, do me a
This plate is
favor.
ready. Oh, I fell into the hole.
You threw a fucking plate
It
into
was
the.
ready. Alright, this plate, I'm gonna set it right here.
Give me a plate, I need a plate.
It's ready.
Here's your plate.
You're almost gonna hit it off, Dario.
I need a tomato.
No, I got it.
I need a tomato.
It was the wrong fucking
I
thing.
promise you, it's just chips.
Then it's fucking soup. I have to turn my own soup, eh? The fuck, bad delivery service. I need tomato.
I'm still gonna be fish.
Oh, 1 star. Perfecto.
4,
Again?
Yes.
Again. Go. Every time? Just one.
What do you mean every time?
Every time we're gonna start.
Oh my
No?
god, no, we already recorded.
Oh,
It's all
okay.
synced now.
Alright, I got you.
Yeah. Could you lower it just a little bit more? Because I feel like because the camera's right there and the audio is probably.
Yes.
Oh wait,
sir.
where's the audio actually? It's up there, right?
It's all over the room. Okay.
Isn't it up there? It
It's
shouldn't
on
be too
that side,
bad.
on that
You
side.
fish and shit.
Okay, I'm gonna stay with on this side. I'm gonna get the tomato.
No. You're gonna go.
Dario,
Give me a
Daniel's in
potato.
a wheelchair.
You didn't know he was in a wheelchair?
No.
He's been handicapped this whole time.
Okay, I'm gonna get the onions off right here.
I just
Alright, Dario,
Give me the onion.
it's the chef. I'm gonna give you the onions.
Chef,
in the
I can't
bottom.
cut the fucking fire extinguisher.
Chef, you sound like a Mexican. You were supposed to be Italian. Chef, you need tomatoes.
Tomatoes. I need more tomatoes.
Chef, tomato.
Tomato, fair. I just have one tomato. I need 2 more.
Hey, chef, what do you need? There's tomato.
Don't ask that, chef.
Chef,
Give me 2 potatoes.
I got the mushroom
chef,
ready.
a potato and a chef.
No,
Oh.
the mushroom.
Chef, you got potato.
Oh,
I got it.
Give me a tomato, the mushroom.
Chef, here's your mushroom.
Give me another
And then there's
potato.
the potato.
I made tomato. And an onion.
And do you need a plate?
I need another onion.
No.
Give me the onion.
I did.
Thanks. Here you go. This one's ready. Turn it in.
Oh, thank you, chef.
Oh, I
I
really
need
did.
a plate.
Chef, there's a plate
Oh,
right
the soup's ready.
here. The other chef took a plate.
Oh, I need a tomato. Oh, tomato.
Chef, there's a plate. Chef,
I need a plate.
chef, you got a plate.
I got a plate. I need another plate.
Chef, you don't need another plate.
Yeah, for my soup, man.
What accent are you doing?
Give me
Which
a
one is it?
plate. Turn it in.
Chef, well done.
Put that in.
Chef, there's a
Put it in.
tomato. Chef, there's a mushroom.
Give me an onion. I need 2 more
There's
onions.
an onion.
I don't need the potato. Don't give me the damn potatoes and the fish. I don't need that.
You didn't need the onions.
I need the
though.
onions only.
Okay.
I'm gonna kick all this shit off my car.
Hey, he's got a fish down there.
Fuck all this shit.
Hey, get another fish. He got the fish.
Oh! Almost fell
I'm gonna give you just in case.
Oh, give me a potato.
Just in case.
Give me a
I need
potato.
a plate.
I need to get the case.
And get all this
Give me
shit
a
off my
potato. Give me a
car.
potato.
I did.
I'm trying to get the potato.
I need a
I need a plate. I
mushroom.
need a plate.
Oh, I did not
Your
put
plate.
that.
Your plate.
I did not put
Oh,
that.
I filled up.
Hey, I need a plate. I need a plate.
There's 15 fucking plates down there. You
Shit.
get one.
It's who's gonna burn. Here you go.
It's gonna better.
Give me a mushroom.
Get the fish out there. Wait.
I have to give my mushroom.
You're gonna
What
kick
kind of
that plate
service is
off.
Can I get the plate?
this? Well, put the damn fish in my plate. I don't need a fish.
We don't put fish in.
I need 2 plates.
I need a plate.
I got one.
Put it on the ground. Okay, turn that in. Turn that in.
I need a mushroom. I mean a tomato. Give me tomato when you're ready. Who gave me that potato? I don't need a fucking potato. Fuck off my car. And this, oh, I need a tomato. No, mamma mia. I'm fucking dying.
Look, that was in the food.
The soup is burnt.
Get to me.
I don't want this shit. Okay, give me
They
some
got the
more.
burnt soup.
Damn
Hey,
it.
the mushroom's done for you.
Don't give me the damn fish, man. I don't need the fish.
Can you cut the tomatoes? You
Yeah,
gotta cut the tomatoes.
Oh, what's on the delivery? I don't need this damn fucking pot. Throw it away.
I need give me a potato.
There goes the fucking mushroom soup. No one fucking made it. Burn on fire.
Hey, you got the plate?
I got the plate ready.
Do you need
I need
onions?
onions.
Get them onions.
Here's the fucking tomato soup. No!
You dropped
It
it.
fell.
It fell or you threw it?
Both. Damn it.
You just made it get 1 star.
Oh.
That would have been 2 stars.
No, we got
right
2
there.
stars. 240.
No.
240.
Nope.
240. Hey, double.
340.
Double, huh? I'm good with 2 stars for that. Oh, nope. Okay, we go.
Alright, next.
Let's get 2 stars on that.
Let me do a loop.
No, 3, 2.
Go around the mountain.
Alright, say go whenever you do this one.
3, 2.
I'm trying. There's a mountain in front of me. I'm just kidding. Ooh, we can boost on the bus? You got turbo.
Are burning?
Trying to cook the fish. What are you doing? Exactly. You don't need to be next to the cutting board.
Oh.